8th Standard Geography, Chapter 2, Lithosphere. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, the continental crust is also called dash. Answer is Sial. Second one, a large basin-shaped crater is called dash. Answer is caldera. Third one, the most destructive earthquake waves are dash. Answer is surface waves. Fourth one, stalactites and stalagmites, the laid forms produced by dash. Answer is underground water. Fifth one, the beaches are formed by the work of sea waves. Second May, answer the following questions. First question, mention the three major layers of the interior of the earth. The three major layers of the interior of the earth are the crust, the mantle, and the core. These three are the major layers of the interior of the earth. Second question, name the types of volcanoes on the basis of frequency of eruption. First one, active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, extinct volcanoes. These three are the types of volcanoes on the basis of frequency of eruption. Third question, mention the important earthquake zones of the world. The important earthquake zones of the world are the Circum-Pacific Belt, regions around the Pacific Ocean, New Zealand, Philippines, Japan, USA, Peru, etc. Second one, the Mediterranean Belt, regions around the Mediterranean Sea. Third one, the Himalayan Belt, the Shivalik region of India. These three are the important earthquake zones of the world. Fourth one, what is weathering? Name the three main types of weathering. Answer is, weathering is the wearing away or breaking down or gradual disintegration of rocks by agents present in the atmosphere. The three main types of weathering are mechanical weathering, chemical weathering, third one, biological weathering. Question number 5. Name the landforms associated with the work of river. The landforms associated with the work of river are the upper course, gorges, canyons, V-shaped valleys, and waterfalls. The middle course, alluvial fans, meanders. The lower course, floodplains, natural levees, oxbow lakes, deltas. These are the landforms associated with the work of river. Let's move to third main. Match the following. List A: Sima, sandstone, epicenter, geyser, Lewis. List B: earthquake, yellow soil, oceanic crust, sedimentary rock, underground water. Let's see the answer. Sima, oceanic crust. Sandstone, sedimentary rock. Epicenter, earthquake. Geyser, underground water. Loess, yellow soil. Fourth main, define the following. First one, aqueous rocks. The sedimentary rocks are formed after the disintegration of igneous rocks. Therefore, they are called secondary rocks. These rocks are also called aqueous rocks because they are formed in the water bodies. Second one, seismology. The scientific study of earthquakes is called seismology. Next one, mechanical weathering. Answer is: when the rock is broken and disintegrated without any chemical alteration, the process is called physical weathering or mechanical weathering. External forces. Answer is: external forces are the natural forces that modify the surface of the earth. The important forces are temperature, wind, rainfall, snowfall, river, glacier, etc. Tsunami. Answer is: tsunami is a large sea wave occasionally experienced along the coasts of Japan and in other regions caused by an underwater earthquake. In Japanese language, tsunami means harbor waves. Sixth one, continental glacier. Continental glaciers are extensive ice sheets found in polar regions. Example, Greenland and Antarctica. Seventh one, spring. Answer is: whenever warm or hot water comes out naturally, it is called hot spring or thermal spring. They are usually found near the volcanic regions.